Hello and welcome to our channel. Trash truck. Hello and welcome to our channel. This is Dee. No. Hello and welcome to our channel, Suburban Sanctuary. This is Dee, and today I am going to be planting 4 new seeds. The first one is Black Beauty eggplant, Roma tomatoes, jalapeno peppers, and long red cayenne peppers. So stay tuned. Well, let me tell you, my husband and I went to Ace Hardware, and believe it or not, it was the very first time that I had ever been to Ace Hardware, and I saw seeds and I kind of lost my mind. I bought a whole lot more, but they can't be planted during the spring summer season. I have to wait until fall. So these can be planted now, so that's what I'm going to do. I also went to Dollar Tree because I needed larger pots, and boy, let me tell you, I kind of lost my mind. Let me show you. Okay, they had these little planters for, of course, $1.25, and when I saw them, I was thinking, okay, these could be for small items like radishes or bunching onions or leeks, you know, little things like that that's not going to take up much space, or even, you know, your herbs. So I bought 2. Then I saw these. I was like, okay, a little decorative. I like it. And all you have to do is just punch the holes in yourself. They have the markings for where the holes, you know, go. And it was easy. You just take a little screwdriver and you just pop, and there they are. And I bought 10 of them. They were, of course, $1.25 a piece. And I was thinking in here I could put my lettuces, my what could I put in here? My lettuces, my bushing plants like my peas, my string beans, you know, little bushing plants like that. Then I saw these, and of course they had them in different colors, but I was kind of stuck on, you know, trying to be, I don't like, well, yes I do. I like earth tones, but every now and again I'll venture into something bright, but you know, I love to stay with my basic earth tones. But I saw these and I was thinking, okay, these could be for larger items, and the same thing, the holes were already in the bottom, so didn't have to worry about popping any of these out. So I saw those and I was like, okay, that's pretty nice, and I bought 10 of those. And they had tools and stuff, but I was like, no, not from Dollar Tree, because those things could probably snap in a heartbeat. But anyway, that's not why we're here. We're here to plant seeds. So stay tuned. try not to disturb the seed packet too much because that's where I keep the seeds. Okay, good Lord. Okay, eggplant. I have a hard time growing these because I don't know if it was the vendor that I got the seeds from the last time or if it was me, the way I planted them. So I'm going to try something different this time. I am going to put more than 2 seeds in, kind of space them out a little, and let's see what happens. I'm gonna have to move that one. I don't like it when they grow down. Oh, okay. I guess you guys picked your spots. So I'm just doing maybe 3 or 4 to a cell. To see what happens. And because they're so tiny, oops, where's that one that got to the edge? Oh well, I think I just pushed it further. Well, let's do it this way. And he went into the other one. Okay. Now I'm going to take just a tiny bit of soil and put it on top. Just making sure that each seed is covered. I want to drown them in soil because I want them to be able to come out. And I'm just going to pat down. And then I'm just going to cover each cell with a light sprinkling of vermiculite because I don't want fungus gnats in my house. And this also helps with holding in moisture. Just spread it out a little because it helped with my other plants. So let's see if it helps with this one. Some more down there. I don't want to have any exposed soil, well, not too much exposed soil, because those little boogers are relentless. Alrighty, for the tray, I'm just going to give it a light spray. Just to make sure that it's all nice and settled. And that one's ready for the shelf. But I haven't made my tag yet, so I'm going to stick my seed packet in front of it. Alright, on to the next one. And I'm going to do the same thing with the tomatoes. And that's what we're getting ready to plant now. My tomatoes. And now I see I have cut the packet way down here. Now with my tomato seeds, I don't know because I've never planted Roma tomatoes before. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to, oh, these are a little bigger. I might be able to little bit of soil. I could do this like I do my lettuce and just not put any soil on top and just do vermiculite. But I don't know if that would be a good idea or not. Put its tray underneath him. Excuse me. Give it a blast. You just want to make sure that water gets down into the soil. Alrighty. Next, we are going to do our jalapenos. With these, I'm going to do 2. I know this is a boring process. Alright, I have got my seeds planted and I am going to put the domes on. My seeds are planted and I am going to put the domes on them, put them on the heating mat, under the light, and we will see what happens. I will keep you updated, and we'll see how it goes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. Have a great one.